Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from the Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives, FII's activity, index actionable, sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Wednesday, 10th July 2024, Nifty Index opened positive and steadily escalated upwards throughout the session. It went on to touch a fresh all-time high of 24,443 zones. It closed near its day's high and gave the highest ever close with gains of around 100 points. India VIX was up by around 5% to 14.3. Volatility slightly inched higher after cooling off in the entire previous week. Now, Nifty put-call ratio has risen to 1.28. This rise in volatility is due to the upcoming budget, but the higher put-call ratio suggests that buying is visible at lower zones, which is driving the market. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,100 to 24,700, while immediate range is in between 24,200 to 24,600. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 314 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 1,416 crores. FII's index long-short ratio is hovering at 83.7%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 24,350 to extend the move towards 24,515 and 24,700, while support is placed at 24,250, then 24,150 level. Bank Nifty has to continue to hold above 52,300 for an up move towards 52,800, then 53,000 levels, while a support exists at 52,100 zone. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive starts were seen in auto, pharma and cement space, while some profit-taking in some of the IT and selective banking names. Now, stocks to keep on radar are BHEL from the cap goods space, which continues its strength after surpassing its previous rejection zone. From the cement space, we have Grasim, which is holding on quite well. From the auto ancillary pack, we have Apollo Tyres and Exide, which is turning after a halt for the next accelerated move. From the pharma space, we have Oro Pharma, which has given a rising trendline breakout. And from the FMCG, which is showing short covering move and which is driving this space, we have stocks like ITC, Dabur, Godrej CP and Colgate, which is looking quite positive. Wish you a super trading day ahead. For more such detailed analysis, don't forget to follow this podcast. This is Shivangi Sarda signing off. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.